Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. All right, guys, I want to talk to you about when not to trade Forex. So, touch on a couple of things. Obviously, anytime the market is open, you can definitely trade Forex, guys, but there are several times when you do not want to trade Forex, and these all fall in different categories. The very first, just touching on the first one, guys, is Forex is a very mental, I say the majority of maybe even 90% mental and 10% physical, right? So the mentality that you have a right trading mindset when you're going into trading. So if you're angry, if you're upset, if you're sad, not feeling well, then that's a time when you will not want to trade because your emotions are going to be not in sync. You're not going to be level headed at that time. And, you know, you might have just got out of a bad argument with your spouse or significant other, or, you know, you might be feeling under the weather and mentally just drained, and then you want to go and try to trade. Yeah, some people can do it, but that's probably a time that you want to stay out of the markets, okay? Wait until you're settled. Wait until your mindset is right. Then you want to go and get in the markets and trade then. So that's one aspect of it, of when you would not want to trade. Another time, you know, you wouldn't want to trade is when you don't want to trade, guys, when you're trading. You don't want to also come from a place of desperation. If you're trying to trade and you need I need to make money, I got to pay my rent, I got to pay my mortgage or car note, whatever, right? And it's like you're dependent. You know, I've talked to people where they're like, I need this to work. Like I gotta make X amount. I want to make X, Y, Z amount of dollars in the next 30 days. It don't work like that, man. It can, but that depends on if you're using tools and you have a nice budget, or you have the skill set to trade, then you can make some things happen. But even then, you don't want to trade in that aspect if you're trading independently, because again, your emotions are not right and your mindset is not right. And if you got to come in and understand that this is more of a marathon than a sprint. Okay, it's a marathon you can run at a consistent pace, though, right? So that's the one aspect of it. Another aspect of it, guys, is that I hear people say you don't want to trade during NFP, which is non-farm payroll. Yeah, during that time, a lot of people stay out of the markets because it's going to be with the news and everything is going on and things happen on the day. It's going to cause the market to not have a consistent flow. Trades to be all over the place. You know, 1 minute, you know, they might be in a bullish market and can turn around, be bearish, whatever have you. So that's another time you'll want to trade. Also, piggybacking on that, when there is news. Now, two sides to this. Most people, when there's news, there are two sites you can check the news. When it's high impact news, meaning if you look at two sites, investing.com or forexfactory.com, they give you indicators showing you for which pair what's going on in the news, some major announcements, something like that. And if it's high impact news, you typically want to stay away from the market during that time, because you could possibly be up 30 pips and the next thing you know, you could be down 30. The news can affect the market to definitely do some crazy things. Now, but there are people who do trade the news because that's their style of trading. They know how to trade it. But if you're not learning from that angle, or really don't know how to trade the news, then don't trade during the news. Missing one. Man, don't trade during the news. What was one more? Man, I'm drawing a blank here. Last but not least, though. Okay, I talked about don't trade during the news, your emotions. You don't want to trade during when you're out of sync. Guys, you don't want to trade during the news. Oh, the last big one, guys, and I'm wrapping it up. When a trade is in consolidation, man, or a trade is going sideways, as it's called, you don't want to trade during that time, because if you're stuck in a trade that's in consolidation, that means the market is in indecision. It doesn't know if it wants to go bullish. It doesn't know if it wants to go bearish. Okay, so it's kind of just like up and down, up and down, up and down. You might be up 10 pips. Next thing you know, you're down 7, 8 pips, and then back up, back and down. If you get stuck in one of those, man, you want to close that trade out, obviously in positive pip gain if you can, and get out of that. But the beauty of that is that when the trade is in consolidation, it's like a coil building up. And once it finally decides which side is going to break out to, be it in a bullish market, or a bearish market, when it breaks out, man, that thing is more than likely going to take off, and you're going to be able to make an awesome amount of pips. So I've come to see those are like my favorite trades, a trade that's in consolidation, because I know coming out is going to do one of two things, either go bullish or go bearish. Okay. So that's all I have for you guys right now, man. When not to trade. Just wanted to share those with you. Hope you got some value from what I shared, guys, and just understanding that Forex, man, it's a beautiful thing. Once you learn it, study it, be a student of it. I just finished studying from one of my mentors and analyzing, taking in what he taught. So that's part of it, man. And obviously the platform that I utilize is a great place, in my opinion, the best place for you to be able to learn Forex. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, how to chart, how to win and get in and out of the market, how to have tools to help you trade and make money in the Forex markets potentially, and then just get educated by some of the best out there, guys. If you want to get more information on that, and again, see the platform I'm taking advantage of, simply click the link below this video in the description box, or go to tradewithed.com for more information. You can find that out and learn more about the platform that I utilize. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.